How to reset your Steam password if you have forgotten it. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily recover your Steam password. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below on this video and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser and simply search for Steam. Now go ahead and click on the sign in option. Once you go ahead and click on it, you'll be able to sign into your account. And you're going to have to verify your login information. Here you will land on the homepage of Steam. So what you're going to have to do is on the top right, you'll find the login option. Go ahead and click on it. And then if you're new to Steam, you could just create a new account. But if you already have a Steam account, you can sign in using your account name on Steam. And if you have Steam installed on your phone, you could use this QR code to sign into your account. But if you can't sign in, just click on this, I can't sign in. So click on this, I forgot my Steam account name or password. The first thing you're going to have to do is enter your email address that's associated with your account, and then click on this quick I'm not a robot CAPTCHA, and then click on the search icon. Now here, if they find your email that's connected to an account, click on this option to get a verification code on your email. Now from here, an account verification link will be sent to your email. So I'm just going to go ahead and check my email to see if I've gotten any reset link for my Steam. So as you guys can see here, I've gotten an email from Steam support. So what you can do now is once you've gotten the email, click on resume recovery and a new tab will open up on your screen. So here you'll find your account name, and from here all you have to do is click on reset password. Click on reset my password, and to change a password, just click right here to create a new password. Make sure to use a combination of letters, numbers, and different symbols to make your password unique and make your account secure. And then simply click on change password and you should be good to go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.